have a Remo Plus DoorCam and are you trying to use the app on an iPhone, Apple's iOS, and it keeps messing up on you? For instance, when you go to the Remo app and it's detected a motion and you try to download the video, all it does is play back black and you can't see the video at all. Well, here's a temporary workaround, as there's a problem with the app. As you can see, I clicked save on the video to my camera roll and I'm uploading it to Google Drive. Google Drive is free as long as you have a Gmail account. When you upload that file to the Google Drive, it will decode the video, and it may take 2 to 5 minutes, but you will be able to play the video that you were previously unable to play on your iPhone. So this is one of the workarounds, and there are two. Hopefully this will be fixed in a future update of the Remo Plus app. But as of right now, this is a very aggravating problem, to say the least. But at least there is this workaround. And as far as I know, it works fine on Android phones. Okay, you can see once it refreshes, I'm able to hit play, and then the video is going to play just fine. In fact, here's the video coming up right now. Now, the other way I have found around this is downloading an app in the Apple App Store. It's called Max Player HD. I've already downloaded it, but it's free to download, and you can just go ahead and click open. Now, one aggravating thing is it's going to have ads if you don't pay for those to go away, and it's $3 to pay for those to go away. So I just put up with the ads. Anyways, you have to watch an ad like this, and then you just point it to the video that you want to play, and then you just click on that video and it will play. So hopefully you guys find this video very helpful, and this will get you up and watching those videos that you previously weren't able to watch.